watching my videos for a while now, you'll know that I really like K-pop and drawing and painting and anime. But there's one thing that I haven't shared that I think it'll just make us closer. You'll just understand me more on a deeper level. And it's that I hate my door. Do you see this? Yes, this gateway to my lovely room is like the ugliest thing I've ever seen. Basically, I destroyed my door and I tried to put it back together with hot glue and it just doesn't look cute. It's not even glued on properly. Yeah, it's ugly. So today's video will be me painting a Nishinoya on a piece of cardboard, and then I'm gonna put it on top so that we can cover this up because it's so ugly. Anyways, as I was thinking about this video idea, I thought, okay, I should clean my door because it's a little dirty. So I did it. I grabbed a rag and I started wiping, and guess what? Part of the door was just like, okay, I don't like it here. I'm gonna leave. Bye. So I just hopped off. So now like a layer of the paint, I guess, it came off, and I thought, okay, I can fix this. So I grabbed some white paint and I painted over it. Guess what? The door isn't white, so it looks weird. So yeah, now we're going to put something on top as well. So I haven't decided what I want to put, but we'll think of something. So yeah, keep watching if you want to see if I can revive my door and start to like it more. Yeah, let's start. I finished grabbing all my materials. So here I just have my paints, paint brushes, paint palette, and this is the photo that I decided on. They're so cute, but I'm just going to be drawing Nishinoya today. Really big on this Cheez-Its box. We love reusing. I love white cheddar Cheez-Its. Anyways, I also have some scissors so that I can cut on the side so that we can open it up and actually be able to paint on it. So let's go! So I finished cutting out my cardboard, and I also cropped and rotated Nishinoya so that he's super big, and then it also fits perfectly. Nishinoya looks like. So cute. He is a little small. You can't really cover it up, but I'm just gonna put him like up here probably, and then I'm gonna add a border on the cardboard. And then I decided for the spot up top, I'm gonna draw stars. So then it's gonna be Nishinoya and star theme. The skin and the hair. So now we're gonna move on to the shirt. Here's how it looks so far. I think I spent like half an hour just painting in a shirt, but we did it. The base layer is done, yay! So I think I'm gonna save the rest for tomorrow, which is just lining everything, drawing the facial features in, and then doing some shadows. So yeah, it's almost done. Yay! Hello, it's the next day and Nishinoya is all dry. So now we can go ahead and fill in his face, trace him, and then we can cut him out. now we just have to do shadows and his cheeks. I fixed it and I finished. Woohoo! Now we're gonna cut him out. Do you see this? I finally finished after like 5 hours, but it's done! Yay! And the crows, you can hear the crows. They're like excited too. Anyways, I wish I could make more stars, but I don't have time because I have to upload this video. But I'll probably make more in the future. But for now, we just have one. So we're gonna go ahead and hang it up. You know, I think Nishinoya is the secret ones. Do you see this pose? Look familiar? I knew it. Anyways, I'm proud to present my new door that I no longer hate. It's just so cute and he's doing a great job blocking the ugly spot. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time. Bye!